In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom list numbers in Microsoft Word. If you've ever wanted your numbered lists to follow a specific format, such as adding text before the number, changing the numbering style, or creating a unique structure for outlines and reports, this tutorial will walk you through the process clearly and step by step. To get started, open your Microsoft Word document and highlight the list you want to customize. If you haven't created a list yet, simply type a few lines of text, place your cursor on them, and click the Numbering button found in the Home tab on the ribbon. This will apply the default numbered format to your text. Once your numbered list is visible, click the small drop-down arrow next to the numbering icon. This will display several built-in numbering styles. Instead of choosing one of the presets, select the option labeled Define New Number Format. This is where you can fully customize how your numbers appear. A dialog box will open, giving you control over the number style and formatting. First, look for the Number Style drop-down menu. Here, you can choose from options such as standard Arabic numbers, Roman numerals, or letters. Select the style that best fits your document's purpose. Next, focus on the Number Format field. This area allows you to modify how the number is displayed. You can type additional characters before or after the number. For example, you might add the word step before the number or place a closing parenthesis after it. As you type, you'll see a preview of how your list will look. Below that, you can adjust the font settings by clicking the Font button. This allows you to change the font style, size, color, or emphasis specifically for the numbers without affecting the rest of your text. This is useful if you want the numbers to stand out visually. If you need more advanced control, such as creating multi-level numbered lists for outlines, click the Multi-Level List in the Home tab instead. From there, choose Define New Multi-Level List to customize each level with its own numbering style and alignment. After making your adjustments, click OK to apply the changes. Your list will immediately update to reflect your custom numbering format. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can create clean, professional, and personalized numbered lists tailored exactly to your needs. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.